Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This video explains how to translate an Excel sheet while preserving layout and formulas. We focus on safe workflows inside Excel and available external services. First, identify the source and target language codes for every column or cell range. Confirm original file encoding and any special characters to prevent corruption. Decide whether to translate values only or to translate values and comments. Make a backup copy before you start to protect original data. These steps set the stage for the step-by-step processes that follow. Start with simple methods for short text entries and labels inside the sheet. Use Excel's Translator add-in or the Research pane for quick translations of selected cells. For larger ranges, extract text columns to a separate worksheet and translate those values only. Keep formula columns unchanged to preserve calculations and link translated text back to formulas. Use paste special values when returning translated text to avoid overriding formulas. Validate translations for context and adjust terminology in repeated. For large or recurring translation tasks, choose automation via Power Query, VBA macros, or external translation APIs. Build a workflow that exports text to translate, calls the API, and re-imports the translated values. Include rate limiting and error handling for API calls to avoid data loss. Maintain a glossary sheet for consistent terminology and adapt translations based on sample reviews. Keep backups, track which columns were translated, and add timestamps or version notes for auditability and future updates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.